Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality -7x plus 2 is less than 16. We will not only find the solution in inequality form, but also in interval notation form. So let's dive right in and solve this inequality together. Step 1. To solve the inequality -7x plus 2 is less than 16, we first aim to isolate the variable x on one side of the inequality. To begin, we need to eliminate the plus 2 on the left side. To do this, we subtract 2 from both sides of the inequality. It is important to maintain balance. Whatever operation we perform on one side of the inequality, we must also perform on the other side to keep the inequality true. So we start with -7x plus 2 is less than 16. We subtract 2 from the left side, which originally has plus 2. To maintain equilibrium, we subtract 2 from the right side, which originally has 16. This gives us the new inequality -7x is less than 16 minus 2. Simplifying the right side, 16 minus 2 equals 14. Now the inequality is -7x is less than 14. In this step, we altered the inequality by removing the plus 2 from the equation, which simplified our inequality to -7x is less than 14. In interval notation, we have not yet completed the full solution, so we will not provide that notation until we isolate x in the upcoming steps. Step 2. Now we have -7x is less than 14. Our goal is to solve for x, and to do this, we need to get rid of the coefficient, which is -7, attached to x. This step involves isolating x by performing division. In any inequality, when we divide or multiply both sides by a negative number, we must reverse the inequality sign. This rule is crucial and must be followed to maintain a true statement. To isolate x, we divide both sides of the inequality by -7. The inequality before division is -7x is less than 14. We divide the left side by -7, which gives us x. Since we are dividing by a negative number, the inequality sign will reverse from less than to greater than. On the right side, we divide 14 by -7, which simplifies to -2. This gives us the new inequality, x is greater than -2. Now in interval notation, our solution means x can be any number greater than -2, but not including -2 itself. Therefore, we express the interval as open interval -2 to positive infinity. In summary, we solved the inequality and found that x is greater than -2. In interval notation, we write this as open interval -2 to positive infinity. This completes our solution for the inequality. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.